have your waist beads and this accessory bag. Okay, find the size that you prefer and mark it. Okay, this is the size that I need. Cut off the knots, okay, at the end side. Reduce the extra beads that you don't need. Take it off. Okay, just drop it. Okay, now take them out. Have the clasp into two parts. Hang the cotton cord on this copper wire. Okay, copper wire. Now let's have the cotton cord thread. Have the clasp thread the clasp cotton cord. Okay, on the cotton cord. And okay, this copper wire, take it off. And this is your size. Okay, your size here. So let's make a knot here. Okay, you can wrap the cord twice. Okay, then make a knot. Then another side, the same thing. Use this copper wire. Have the cotton cord hang on it. Okay, thread the whole clasp out. Okay, have the clasp on the cotton cord. Okay, and this copper wire, take it off. And knot here. Okay, the body side, 1, 2, 3. Make a knot. Okay, 3, and then pull. Okay, just not finish. See? Okay, just not. And cut. Okay, this extra cotton cord. You have your clasp added now. Or you can tie it on your body. Okay, screw on. Will be okay then. Take it off. Easy.